Microwave water purification system from United Kingdom wins challenge prize. A United States National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA lunar mission, aims to establish a permanent base on the moon by decade's end. During the mission, astronauts will need a reliable supply of water for drinking, growing food, and producing oxygen and fuel. To encourage the development of technologies that purify water beneath the lunar surface, the UK and Canadian space agencies recently ran an international competition called the Aqua Lunar Challenge. The Gloucestershire-based tech company Nyker Scientific won the £150,000 prize with its tool called the SonoChem system, which uses microwaves to melt lunar ice and ultrasound to generate microbubbles that produce free radicals to purify water. The firm plans to use the prize money to commercialize the technology. Congratulations, Nyker Scientific, on winning the Aqua Lunar Challenge with your device. May your innovation contribute to successful lunar exploration in the wisdom of the Providence.